watching the Harkins. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but we got a vlog for you today, and we're gonna do some drone cinematic shots. We're on the 350X. She looks a lot cleaner than the last time you saw her. You can still hear that ticking. I ain't had much time to work on her. I've been busy with a bunch of other stuff in the 200X, and so I haven't got the chance to really mess with it yet, but we're taking her up here to the straight roads. We're gonna put the drone up and get some cool shots. But so I want to tell you a story on the way there. So as you guys know, we went riding. I don't even know if this mic's working because I just cleaned my helmet from the ride and I got water everywhere. It's in my mic. I don't even know if this is going to be working, but if it is, let me know. And well, I guess if it isn't, I won't be putting this video up. But anyway, if it's working, you'll hear this. If it's working, you'll hear this story. So okay, so we get there at the riding spot, and I'm sure this guy's watching my channel, and he'll know who I'm talking about. But anyway, so Friday night, everybody's just kind of hanging around. We did a little ride, and everybody's just kind of rolling in, getting their camp set up, everything, you know, good like that. And this guy comes over and checking out all our ATVs and stuff, and he goes, who's riding the three-wheeler? And I said, me. He said, well, buddy, if you can keep that thing on the trail tomorrow for the main ride without letting it ride you, he said, I got a set of balls in the truck I'm gonna give you. And you know, I just thought it was a you know, gesture of you know, for funny, being funny or something, you know. And I think we're gonna put the drone up right here. I hope it's not too windy. It's pretty damn windy. Yeah, this looks like a good spot. So anyway, this guy, we get riding, and sure enough, I don't let it ride me, you know, and we get back from the trail, and it's like late at night, and everybody's hanging around the campgrounds and stuff, you know, or where we were camping at, and he comes up to me around the fire, and he said, hey man, he said, I'm a man of my word. And we got to his truck, and look at this, he cuts these truck nuts off of his truck and hangs them on there, and I ain't taking them off since. Now, I don't think I'm gonna leave them on there, but I had to leave them on until I made this video. But anyway, so that was pretty cool. Funny story. Okay, well, we got some footage. I was a little jumpy with it, but I think we can make some of it work. But yeah, I'll get better at it. We'll get it figured out. Anyway guys, we're gonna go do these valves. I hope we got audio in this video. I don't know if we do. As always guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. As always, keep it on 3 wheels. Keep the dirty side down. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.